So to edit a WordPress site, then there's various ways you can do it. At the top of the page, once you've logged in, you'll see Edit Page, or if you're on one of the walk pages, then it will say Edit Walks or Edit Photos, for example. And once you've pressed that, then you go into the Edit Interface, where you can see the title, the text, and so on, and you just edit this very much like you would in Word or something. You can put things in bold, italics, left, center, or right align them, and so on. And you can also highlight text and then click that and then enter the URL to link them to a specific page if you want to do that. It's worth noting at this point that there's also a snippet here. If you click Edit Snippet, then the SEO title and the meta description are what appears to search engines. So this is obviously important from an SEO perspective. If you want to appear high with Google, you should include the keywords you want to appear for in the title and meta description. So let's say you want to edit a photo. A lot of pages have a featured image, which will be here on the right hand side. This particular page doesn't. So to edit it, what you would do instead, you click the image you want to edit. There's then an edit icon here, press that, and you can then either edit the original or replace it. Normally the default settings will be fine, but there are a few different standard sizes that you might want to choose if you wish. You can also link images to specific pages where that's handy, and then just press update and that will edit the image for you. There's certain sections of the page like the next ramble and the previous ramble sections that are updated automatically. So when you add a new walk, then if the date's in the future, it'll appear in our next ramble or the next walk section, and if the date's in the past, it would go into the previous walks. And as a date passes, then that will change automatically. For now, I've created a date in the future, and I've just put the coronavirus message that you mentioned here to advise people that unfortunately club walks are cancelled until further notice. So let's say you want to create a new site, sorry, a new section. Then if you hover over new, then you can see you've got various options here. So page, walks or photos are the main sections that you would use. A page would be a standard page like the home page, the club info page, joining the club, that kind of thing. A walk is where you want to add your fortnightly ramble or perhaps one of the evening rambles to the page. And photos is where you want to add a collection of photos to the site. And these appear in different sections. So a standard page you'd probably want to add somewhere to the main menu. The walks pages automatically will be updated as I've shown, and also in the footer menu, and then the photos will be updated in this latest rambling photos section at the bottom, and you can also view all of the previous photo pages by going to the photos page. So let's say you want to create a new walk, you hover over it, click walks, add the title of the walk, add a description here. You might want to click edit snippet and then enter the meta description and the title here, and set a featured image. For walks, the featured images will appear on the kind of preview of this walk by default, and you can either choose one that you've previously used, or you can upload a new one. I hope that helps. Let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks.